Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make jam biscuits at home, only ways. Preheat oven to 200 degrees C and line a baking sheet. Mix 250 g flour, 100 g sugar, 1 tsp baking powder, and 125 g cold butter until crumbly. Stir in 1 egg and 2 tablespoon milk to bind, chill briefly, roll to 3.5 mm thickness, cut rounds, spoon jam, sandwich, and bake 12-15 minutes until golden. Start with quality ingredients to get the best jam biscuits. Use 250 g plain flour, 100 g sugar, 125 g cold butter, 1 tsp baking powder, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoon milk. Choose a thick jam like strawberry or raspberry for stability. Keep butter chilled until used to create flaky layers. Measure accurately and sift flour to avoid lumps. Chill dough briefly before cutting to maintain shape during baking. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's black ice as a pick-me-up for your ride. It smells fresh and oddly pairs with the joy of baking on road trips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support, everyone. Now let's get back to the video. Make the dough quickly to keep butter cold and create flaky biscuits. Rub 125 g cold butter into 250 g flour and 100 g sugar until coarse crumbs form. Add 1 egg and 2 tablespoon milk, mix until just combined, then chill 20 minutes. Roll to 3.5 mm thickness and cut rounds. Spoon 1 teaspoon jam onto each, top with another round, seal edges lightly, bake 12-15 minutes, and serve warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.